Welcome. In front of me is an LG ThinQ V50, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's open up settings. From here, we're going to scroll down to system, then restart and reset. And from here, you should see the option to factory data reset. I'll tap on it and you will get an information that this will remove things like your login data, system and app data, downloaded apps, and basically, more importantly, I would say, music, images, and documents. So basically everything that you have put on the device yourself will be completely removed. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand. Otherwise, you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on reset phone. If you have some kind of protection on the device, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, obviously I do. So I'm going to confirm that. And from here, choose delete all, reset, and the process will begin. Now this will take probably a minute or so. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And there we go. As you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.